Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Ford Kuga, a stylish and efficient SUV packed with modern features. Let's dive into its design, performance, interior, and pricing. Exterior. The 2025 Kuga features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body for a sporty look. With new alloy wheels and fresh color options, it stands out on the road. Performance. Under the hood, the Kuga offers a 1.5L EcoBoost engine or a 2.5L hybrid system for power and efficiency. The hybrid delivers excellent fuel economy, while available AWD enhances traction. Interior. Inside, the Kuga boasts a high-tech cabin with a large touchscreen, digital driver display, and premium materials. Comfortable seating and advanced connectivity make every drive enjoyable. Prices. The 2025 Ford Kuga starts at around $35,000, with higher trims reaching $45,000. Outro. The Ford Kuga is a perfect blend of style, tech, and efficiency. Would you drive one? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.